my friend. Today we are going to start next topic of chapter 4, planning. Okay beta, and the topic is plan. Okay, the topic is plan. What the meaning of plan? Here the main question is, what is the meaning of plan? That is the planning, that is the process by which we are going to make one system, that is called plan. Planning is a process, and by that process what we are going to make, what system we are going to make, what way we are going to make that with that system and that proceed things is just called plan. Plan means the system that we are going to operate, that system that we are going to operate for our business, okay, for solving of our problem, or for operation of our problem, for follow up of our problem. It means the system by which we are easy to achieve our target, or the system by which we are using or utilizing the different resources, that is called plan. Planning is the process by which we are going to make the plan beta, okay, and by the planning what we are going to make, that is called plan. Okay beta, on this way I think you will clear out what is the plan. Actually plan is not like that, this process. Plan is a things which is come after the making of just result of planning. Okay, plan is the just things or system that we are take as a result by the planning, or process of planning. We can just see the result of plan, that system which we are going to utilize in our business beta. Okay beta, clear? Okay, now we are going for the single use plan and standing plan. Single use plan is plan like that, if we are going to make the plan for any one objective, any one thing, and then again we cannot utilize that plan for the other things or other problem, that type of plan is called single use plan. As like that, if we have one target, okay beta, if we have one target and we are going to achieve that target, and for that target we are going to make one plan, that plan is only utilized for the achieving of that target. So that plan we cannot going to utilize for the other things or other problem. So that type of plan is called single use plan. Single use plan like that, if you cannot utilize that plan, you cannot able to use that plan for other work, or again only for which work you are going to make that plan, you are going to utilize that plan for only for that. After the finishing of that things or work or that target, that plan is finished, you cannot utilize that plan for the other work. In this system, we can take the work that is not going on continuously. Sometimes some type of work or some type of problem is coming in business. So for the solving of that type of problem, we are going to make the plan, and that plan only utilized for the just finishing of that problem, and after that that plan is finished. We cannot utilize this plan again. So that type of plan we called single use plan. Single use plans, again I like to repeat this, the plan that is utilized for the only achieving that target, for that they are making, for that we are going to make that plan. Again we are not utilize that plan. Second is standing plan. The standing plan means the plan which we can utilize after the achieving the target, or after the utilize of that plan. It means again and again we can utilize that plan, that is called the standing plan. As like that, you are making one plan for the any objective. After achieving that objective or after the finishing of that work, you can again utilize this plan for other work with the changing of some system or some type of change. We can easily utilize. At that type of plan, we are using again and again in the business, as like we are going to make the plan for increasing the production, utilizing for maximum resources. For that type of plan we can use again and again, year to year, because that plan is called a standing plan. This type of plan we are going to make mainly for the utilizing more time, not only for the one time. The plan which we can make and utilize, make for the utilizing of more and more time, that type of plan is called a standing plan. Okay. Next we are going for the objective of plan, type of plan. Okay beta, next we are going for the type of plan. I think it's very clear. This single use plan and standing plan. Single use, only one problem, only one time you are going to make that plan and use, then finish. The standing we can use again and again, and after the finishing of the main work, for that we are going to make that plan. Again we can use that single use, the standing plan. Then type of plan. First is objective. Objective plans means the plan which we can utilize are made for the just setting the objective of the business. Okay beta, setting the objective of the business. In this system we are trying to make the plan for setting the objective, because setting the objective is not very easy work. For that we are also needed the plan, and by the making of this type of plan we are going to set the objective of our business, because after the analysis, after the research, or after the evaluation of power of our business, we can make or we can set the objective. Without the setting that our evaluation or power of the business, we cannot make the any type of objective. On the basis of your power, your achieving power, your capacity, you can just set the objective, and for that which type of plan we are going to make, that is called objective plan. Okay beta, that is called objective plan. Clear? Next, strategy plan. Strategy plan, the plan which we can make for the making the system for achieving the target, and how to that plan or method or system we are going to run, that is the strategy of your plan. And the plan which we are making for the making the strategy or fixing the strategy of your business, that is called strategy plan. It means you are going to make your process, your system, how we are going to make the plan for achieving the things, or how we are going to make the system for the work, for the operation, for the following of system, that is called a strategy plan. You just make it. How we are going to run this, how we are going to utilize this, how we are going to just follow up this, that is called a strategy plan. Next is policy. In every business they have some rule and regulation, they have some set rules, they have some set system that will followed by the all member. As like that you are going to join any new company, then they are giving some rules and regulation or system. On the under of that system you are going to work on that company, that is called policy. As like that your salary, your bonus, your year of working, your year of working time, your leave without pay, leave of medical leave, and any other type of leave. Okay, these all the system is coming in policy, and the plan by which we are going to make this all system, all regulation, all acts, all system for the term and condition in working, for working, these are making in the policy plan. And the plan which we are going to utilize for making this type of things, that is called policy plan. Okay beta. Next is procedure. When we are just going to work in any system, or following in any system, or just going to operate of any system, for that which type of plan we are going to make, that is called procedure. Okay beta, that is called procedure. I think you know the procedure. Procedure is a system. Procedure is a system of working. Procedure is a system of operation. Procedure is a system of follow up the things one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. We are going to utilize the system, and that for the utilizing of that work, which type of plan we are going to make, that is called procedure. Okay beta. Next, rule. Same like a policy, but rule is set. No changing in rule. Maybe some change come in the policy beta, but in rule is strict. The strict things are rules which we are making in the business, are firm for the working, for the operation, for the setting objective, for the all type of work, for the financial work, non-financial work. And the system or that plan in which we are going to make these all rules, that is called rule plan. That is called beta rule plan. Okay. Next is program. Always you are hearing this word, program. I am going in this program, I am going in that program. It's okay. It's right beta. You are always hearing this word, I am going in this program and that program. Same, when any type of activity is come in business, so how we are going to deal with the business or deal with that activity or that system, for that which type of program, which type of plan we are going to make, that is called program. Or done of any program we are going to make the plan, that plan is called program plan or program. Okay beta, that is like a program. As like in your school some program is there, and for that program you are going to make the plan. This person is doing this person is doing that, this thing is sitting there, that person is sitting there, this thing is just standing there, that thing is standing there, that service we are going from that place, that service we are just going to serve from that place. So these all what? These all like a plan, and that plan is called program plan. Okay beta. Then method. When we are going to do any work, to which method we are going to utilize for that which plan we are going to make, that is called method beta. As like that you are solving something or you are going to make something. For the making of anything, we are going to utilize the method. You are going to utilize the system, and that system is called method. And for that which plan we are going to make, that is called method plan beta. Okay, clear? That is called method plan. Clear? Next is budget. I think you will know about the budget. What is the budget? Just making the plan for the future income and expenditure. That is budget. Budget is what? Budget is making the system or making the one statement for the future income and expenditures, resources of income, fund of income, or the head in which we are going to expend your money. That is called budget. Okay beta. Same way, the plan which we are going to utilize for the making the system for all your income and expenditure, as like all the fund, all the resources, all the head by which you are going to take the money, and all the head are things on which you are going to expend your money. For that you are making one budget, and the plan which we are going to utilize to making this budget, that is called budget plan. Okay beta? Clear? Clear or not? Again I like to repeat, objective, the plan which is generally making for the setting that objective, that is called objective plan. Strategy, the system, how we are going to operate the system or operation the system, that is the strategy plan. Policy, the rule and regulation, the system which we are going to follow up in the business needed. That for that we are going to make the plan, that is the policy plan, procedure for the working, for the operation in the business or the following of the business, or for some work in a business, the plan we are utilizing, that is the procedure. And next is the rule, some strict rule and regulation in your business or in organization. For that we are utilizing that plan, that is called rule plan. Program, any type of program for the making or just implement the system in program. For that we are going to make the plan, that is program plan. And then method for the work, for the operation, for the any type of product or just production of that product, what system we are going to plan, just operate, utilize. For that which system which plan we are going to make, that is the method plan. And budget, income and expenditure, for your income and expenditure. So setting of that income and expenditure, which plan you are going to make, that is called budget plan. Okay. Now again I like to repeat the planning process, beta. Okay. Again I like to repeat the planning process. First is setting up the objective. First, before the making of that plan, we are going to set the objective. What is the objective? After the setting the objective, beta, we are going for the plan. Okay, because without the objective we cannot make the plan. Without the target we didn't think about what we are going to do, because after the setting the plan we are going to think if our target is this, and then we are going to make our all system to achieve that target. Okay beta, that thing is coming. So first is what? First is the set up the objective. Then next, developing premises. And after that we are going to see our different situation, our different term, our different what is saying, logic, which we can utilize, our system operations we can utilize is to achieving that objective. Okay beta, as like that called premises. Our way, our system, our plan, our the opportunities, are different way to reaching on same place. As like that we are just going to developing the premises. Next, listing the various alternative. Then after the developing these premises, we are going to listing the all alternatives. It means for the reaching of that place, this system is a we have to system of going with the bus, we have to system of the going with the train, we have to system of the going with the plane, we have to system of the going with the vehicle, own vehicle. Okay, these all what? These are all the alternative. Okay beta, then we are going to make the listing of alternative, because after the make the listing we are going to see which alternative is good. Okay. Next, evaluation of different alternative. After the listing, after the seeing or listing of all alternative, we are going to just check which alternative is good for us, or which alternative is very easy, or which alternative is low cost, or which alternative is good for our business or our systematic business. Maybe one alternative is good for you, but that alternative is not good for the other business. Okay beta, so in this case we are going to select the best alternative that is good for you only. Okay beta, then we are going to evaluate the all alternative and then selecting an alternative. Okay beta, first evaluate what is good, what expense we needed, what other things we needed, and then we are going to select the alternative for your business, our own business. Then implement the plan. Then we are going to implementing our plan, or just giving our plan to the management, or giving our plan to the worker, or giving our plan to the middle level or lower level management. Then they are going to follow up that plan. Okay beta, then they are going to follow up that plan. They are just giving that plan to in working, they are just giving the plan for the working system. They are just try to follow up, means just utilize that plan. Or all the person of business, all the member of business, they are just going to just follow, or you say just going to work on that plan, or follow up the system that is coming in that plan, or follow, or just go in that system which is coming by the plan, that is called follow up plan. Okay beta, clear? Okay, thank you.